दर दिसा सकाळी 6:30 वरांचेर 200 ते 300 CCP नितळसाण कामगार आपली कामां सुरू करतात आणि सुमार 8 मुखेल गार्बेज ब्लॅक स्पॉट निवळ करतात. भोवसान बेजबाबदारेन कोयर उडयल्यार CCP कामगारांक दोश दिवप योग्य न्हय. लोकांनी नितळसाण सांबाळपाक वांटेकार जावपाक जाय म्हण महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरात उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर ताळगांवच्यान दत्ता मुरगांवकार.
Stop littering, please. What I'm saying is, see, littering. It's a community effort. Let's say in Panjim also, we have say 200 or 300 staff that work dedicatedly every single morning. They wake up at 6 in the morning. They start their work at 6:30. We have around 8 major black spots. And the thing is that, see, by 10 o'clock the city is clean. But the city does not dirty itself, and my workers are not responsible for littering the city. The thing is that what somebody says is correct. When I was talking to somebody, it takes 500 people to clean a city, but it takes one person to dirty it. So we just want to ask, I'm just appealing to everybody. If there are issues with the corporation itself and you have problems, please let us know also. We are eager to learn. But we're just encouraging people to litter less because it's a huge burden. I mean, ultimately, all of us are residents of Panjim and Tanjong. The less litter it is, then the better it is for all of us.